Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, August 22nd, I believe, and squirrels. I have just filled up the bird feeders, and then I'm on my way to Dunedin, where my mom used to live, and to have lunch with a gal pal lunch, basically. So the feeders are full. The birds will be back shortly, although I noticed the squirrels saw me. So, there we go. There's a cardinal. There was a cardinal. And then the squirrel jumped into the feeder and scared the cardinal away. Cardinal's on the little feeder now. Can you hear him? With his peeps. Try not to speak while he's peeping. Here comes a dove, but the dove sees the squirrel as well. But I can't sit and bird watch as much as I'd like to. I am off to lunch. So I don't know if these are the babies that used to be here, that were raised here on the pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wrong number, because there were 7 babies and the mama. So did the mama come back with them? Did they come back? I'm beginning to be able to see, though, that one's going to be a male. The others so far look female. Nope, 2 look male. Maybe. I think these may be them, and the reason I think they are is that they came over to my yard this morning under the bird feeders. So how would they know that there were bird feeders and to come over there if they were not the ducks that, were raised on the pond? They disappeared for a number of weeks, maybe a month, maybe not that long. Anyway, but they're back in here today because there's water. It's been raining. The pond had dried up. I don't know where they went in the interim, but I think they found their way back. Welcome back to the pond, mallards. And I cannot tell which one was the mama.